Everybody loves Mario Kart. It's such a fun game that shows you who your true friends are when they decide to end a 10-year relationship because they think throwing a blue shell's funny when you're in first place. But the big issue with the game is that when you want to yell at your now ex-friend, your car's not going any faster. So I'm here to make a game that fixes that. First things first, we gotta make a car. This cube looks vaguely like a car, so I'm gonna use this for now until I decide to procrastinate in Blender. Look, I know it doesn't have any wheels, but we gotta ignore the non-vital portions of the car until we get running, right? Anyway, now we gotta add some sort of suspension system so it acts like a car. We could use Unreal Engine's pre-built car system, but doesn't that just take away from the magic of it all? The suspension essentially works by placing 4 points around the car. At each point, it shoots a ray towards the ground. If it's close to the ground, a repelling force is applied at that location depending upon the distance from the hit point. If it doesn't hit anything, or the ground's too far away, then no force is applied because, you know, it's in the air. This gives us some basic suspension that when finely tuned, works perfectly. Bing bang boom, the suspension now works flawlessly. Now we just gotta have some movement, some drifting, and we got a car. Now, we're not done yet. We still have to capture the voice input, and this is gonna be the hardest part of the project by far. Now that we have that done, we can test it out. Currently my mic's muted, but up here you're going to be seeing the strength of the force so we can see how fast the car is going to go. What? Okay, so as far as I can tell, this is just giving me a value between 0 and 1. And the documentation isn't clear, and I'd rather not dig through source code to figure this out, so I'll just assume I'm right. Anyway, to fix this, I just linearly interpolate the volume to be between 0 and whatever max value I set. Currently, that's 50. What is linear interpolation, I hear you asking? In mathematics, linear interpolation is a method of curve fitting using linear polynomials to construct new data points within the range of a discrete set of known data points. What does this mean for us? No clue, but it works though. And now if we shout into our mic when we're molding, we're gonna go fast. But you know, sometimes you're not feeling angry and shouting. Sometimes, bad day. Big sad day. And sad day calls for no shouting. Only sad song. And what do we do with this knowledge? We input music files into Unreal Engine so that the computer does the shouting for us. Play your favorite AJR album. Play a video of a Karen screaming at fast food employees. Or just play the entire B movie. Everything goes. And with this, we have full control over the car's speed. Now, let's see it in action. Boost! Okay, so that's a little too fast. So obviously it works absolutely perfectly. All it needs is a bit of tuning and maybe fixing the steering, but you know, it works, so I can't really complain. So next all that needs to happen is to get hired by Nintendo for their Super Mario Kart Deluxe 8 Super Edition so that we can fix this glaring issue in their game. But until then, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe because all happiness is derived from bigger numbers.